Welcome back to my channel. That's that on that. The makeup looks good. Stop stealing. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So you guys came here, clicked on this video because you wanted to see how I achieve this quick little ponytail look that I have in my hair. I'm gonna try to make this short and sweet because I like simple hairstyles, quick, easy hairstyles. As you can tell, something cute that I can dress up, wear to work, or whatever. So if you're interested in seeing what I did simply to get this ponytail in my head, just stay tuned, keep on watching. Okay, so I parted my hair. I'm going crazy because it's like, do I see dandruff or do I see gray hairs? But so my hair is parted, and I think my part is pretty straight. If you want a straight part, just get you one of these. I'm sure everybody knows by now. This will get your part straighter than anything else. And then I have a mixture of water and black castor oil in this bottle. My hair, I just washed it. I just washed it, but it dries really quickly, so I have to always have a water bottle. And it just helps me to lay my hair down easier. I'm not gonna talk on a lot of this video because I want it to be as short as possible. You guys know, like I told you guys in my last ponytail video, well, my first ponytail video, that I'm not a hair person, so I like quick and easy styles, like hairstyles for dummies pretty much. That's the type of hairstyles that I do on myself because I always say hair is not my thing. But so this ponytail will also be a quick version of the loose ponytail that you guys will see on my thumbnail. But this is just my way to get it up there. I wore my last ponytail. Oops, I dropped something in every video. I wore my last ponytail for a week, so I know I'll be able to wear this one a week also, as long as the hair acts right, because it is loose hair. But I don't see it not. I'm leaning to the side because I'm looking at my big mirror. This little mirror in front of me just doesn't do it for me. But yeah, so I should be able to wear this one a week also. And of course, and I'm doing my hair early, of course for work, but also because I noticed when I do my hair and let it air dry, but I put it, you know how you do your hair and then wrap it in a scarf? Every time I do that, of course it dries, so it flakes my hair. I don't know why it took me forever to just realize, Nadia, do your hair, don't put it in a scarf, because it technically will stay flat because of the gel and then it won't flake. So I didn't have to worry about my hair flaking the last time because I didn't put a scarf on it as soon as I did. I was like, oh my God, why did it take me so long to realize that? Goes to show you I don't deal with hair. But I'm just using the Eco Styler gel to lay my hair down. And I'm gonna be using my dimming brush to lay it down and take the gel through my hair too. Ugh. I told y'all I hate wet hair on my hands. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my dimming brush and lay it down on the side. I didn't put this part in my last video, so I figured why not put this part in this video. The last ponytail video I did, I just came to you guys and my hair was already laid down. But this is the process of me laying my hair down. It is quick and simple. And it's hard to do my left side. I go back over my hair with a regular brush after the dimming brush so that it'll catch like any little stray hairs that may slide through the dimming. I told you guys the last time that I don't do the straight ponytails because of my hair being natural and me wanting to keep my wavy texture in my hair, and you know, so my hair will kind of match the texture of the ponytails that I do. So that's why even though my hair looks bone straight, you know, when I do it, because I don't know, that's just how it looks when I do it. But it's always like it's wavy when I, you know, throughout the week or whatever, when I'm tying it up, like the dudes with the do-rags. It's wavy like that. So I like to choose textured hair so that I can keep, you know, that look with my hair. I don't know, I told y'all in the last video. If you have not seen that video, make sure that you go over there and watch that video. You'll know what I'm talking about if you don't get what I mean on here, because of the type of hair that I used on my, why am I trying to brush it like that? The type of hair that I used on my last ponytail, that's the reason why it wasn't straight. I told you guys that in the last one. But so this is what it looks like right now. I think I've laid it down enough. I don't want to put too much gel on it. I think it's slick. Y'all think it's slick enough? I think it's slick enough. Okay. Yeah, I think it's slick enough. Now I'm gonna go and get my hair part braided, because instead of me trying to figure out how to, you know, make my hair blend in with the weave, which is not, because you guys see how my hair is, it's not gonna blend in with the weave. Like I said, I like quick and I like easy hairstyles for dummies. So I'm gonna go and get my boyfriend's gonna braid it. He braids tighter than me for some reason. But I'm gonna let him braid my hair into a braid, and I'm still gonna wrap my braid around this ponytail like I did in my other video. Like I said, quick and easy is literally the 3 steps. Slicking your hair down, braiding your hair, well, you gotta do the ponytail on the band, and then putting it around your hair, girl. We like simple hair over here. Any style that I'm gonna do is gonna be neat. It's gonna be cute, but baby, it's gonna be easy. Anybody can do. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back, and this is my little braid. Told y'all he braids tighter than me. But okay, so the hair that I'm using is the Model number 2 deep twist 22-inch bolt. So it looks like that. Looks like that. And I got 2 packs of this hair. And I gotta hurry up. I gotta go get my baby from work. So yeah, let me take this out of the pack. Okay, so I got it out of the pack. This is 2 packs of hair. And I thought it was, let me see. I planned on it being longer. Well, I guess that's long enough for it to not be in the way. Excuse me. But yeah, so this is 22 inches. I probably could have did a 24. But I'm gonna just take the ponytail holder, put it around the hair at the top like that. Take it under, I think I'm doing this the hard way. Okay, take it under and then you just loop it through, pull your loop, keep that loop, and then you want to pull the 2 pieces of the ponytail holder together to make sure like the hair isn't like bushed up under there. And then you have your loop like that. I'm gonna take it and the same way I did on the other one, I'm gonna put it through one time. And then you have your loop and your hair. And you wanna take the ponytail and wrap it around your hair like the loose hair isn't there. I hope I'm in the frame. Yeah, I'm in the frame. So you wanna wrap it like that, like the loose hair isn't there. And then just pull it all the way through. Do that. That's as tight as mine will go. And then take my braid and I'm just gonna wrap my braid around that hair. Like that. And I got 3 bobby pins. And I'm gonna bobby pin my hair in place. Like it's loose, or maybe it feels heavy because it's loose hair on my head. I think it's only gonna take 2. I was about to pull the hair and do like this to tighten it, like it was really my hair. Okay. So that is the ponytail. So it looks like this. I don't know. Okay, I guess it's okay. I have to. You remember how people back in the day used to wear weave ponytails? And they used to get picked on for wearing weave, and now we'll slap some weave in our hair in a heartbeat. Okay, so the ponytail looks like that. I don't know, should I leave it fresh like this or should I fluff it out and make it look more natural, maybe? I don't know. I don't want to mess with it too much because I want to be able to wear it for this week and I don't want it to be looking nappy. And so I'm gonna do that. And then I have, I guess I'm gonna do me some edges. The pictures look better with edges. So, let's see. They've kind of dried. I should have did this when my hair was still wet. I might leave it alone because I don't want to mess up my hair. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this alone and let Keelan do this. My hair is not moving and this little comb is burning my skin up. I'm gonna leave it alone, y'all, because I'm about to mess something up. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then I have these little little hair clips and pieces that I'm gonna stick on the side. And they all have pearls on them. Some of my favorite ones, I broke them, but it'll be all right. I got 2 on one side and 3 on one side. That's gonna work because I don't want to mess nothing up. But yeah. See, I'm already pulling. I'm already pulling it. My nail was split. Okay. Alright guys, so this is okay guys, so this is the final look of the ponytail. Let me give y'all a spin around so it'll look like something. And this is the ponytail. How the hair looks. Simple and cute for the rest of my work week. I'm kind of short on here. But yeah, so that's it, and that's how the hair sits. I guess I'm gonna have to take my picture from this angle so it'll look like something. But yeah, so that's the end of this video, guys. And this is my hair for the rest of the week. As y'all can tell, I'm feeling better. So much better. I don't know if it was the BC powder. I don't know. But whatever is in that crack, it's some good crack. But I took that BC powder yesterday and it's almost like it sucked everything up. I don't know. But I feel so much better than I did feel. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into my little quick video. I've been recording for a while, so I'm gonna make it quick. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my little quick video. Don't y'all talk about my hairstyle. I'm going and look in a big mirror to make sure it ain't ugly. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get my baby, and then I'm gonna actually come back and I think I'm gonna put some lashes on myself to kind of, because I've been trying to get myself together because I've been looking like crap all week. But yeah, so I'm gonna come and put some lashes on myself, and hopefully when I go to sleep tonight they're still on and not on my pillowcase when I wake up in the morning. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning into another one of my videos. I appreciate every single one of you because you do not have to be here watching my videos, but you are here, and make sure that you stay here by hitting the subscribe button and joining this sisterhood that I'm building over here. Make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.